In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge a section with the above in Google Forms. If you've ever split your form into sections and then realized two of them should really be one, this quick walkthrough is for you. We'll create a section so you can see where that control lives, and then we'll merge it back into the section above. This is perfect for cleaning up accidental breaks or simplifying the flow for respondents. Start in the Google Forms editor with your form open. Click anywhere inside a question to activate the right-hand toolbar. On that toolbar, look for the Add Section icon. It looks like two stacked rectangles. Click it, and Google Forms will insert a new section break at your current position. You'll see a new section header appear with a title field and an optional description. If you keep clicking the Add Section icon, you can create additional sections the same way. Sections can help you group related questions, control page breaks, and set up branching, but sometimes they're more than you need. Now let's merge a section into the one above it. On the section you want to remove, move your cursor to the top right corner of that section's header to reveal the three vertical dots, also called the More menu. Click those three dots. In the menu that appears, choose Merge with Above. The moment you select it, Google Forms combines that section into the previous one. All questions from the merged section move upward, and the now empty section header disappears. A few helpful tips as you do this. First, you can only merge a section into the one directly above it, and the very first section in your form can't be merged upward because there's nothing above it. Second, any required settings on questions remain intact after the merge, so you won't lose that configuration. Third, if you've set up branching or go to section based on answer rules that reference the section you just merged, give those a quick review to make sure the logic still points where you expect. Most of the time, it updates smoothly, but it's good practice to double check. If you merge by mistake, don't worry. Use the undo button at the top or press Ctrl-Z on Windows or Command-Z on Mac to instantly revert. And if a section landed in the wrong spot before you merge, you can drag the section by its handle to reposition it, then merge once it's where you want. That's all there is to it. Add a section from the right toolbar, open the section's three-dot menu, and choose Merge with Above to tidy up your form's structure quickly and cleanly.